Mm.
But I wonder if there's kind of a spinning thing. There's like maybe there's a hearkening back to the Lachesis, I think, the spinners of fate in
Oh
ancient
yeah.
Greece. And there were, I think, three of them. And so maybe that has something to do with the wise woman being the 13th.
Yeah, and I remember in that myth, like when the thread is cut, that's like the end of like your life.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
So we have, yeah, her pricking her finger or something sharp. So it's
Mm.
as if the spindle is cut. There's some kind of connection there. And also, yeah, spindle, maybe some traditional implement of like girl becoming a woman, doing the so-called woman's work. And she's never seen one before, and so she's, utterly innocent. And she's never kissed a boy, presumably, and later on she gets kissed. So, you have many kinds of details about her becoming mature.
Yeah, and like the blood part maybe about menstruation or
Yeah,
something.
exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. And even maybe the prick in some way. It's wounding has to do with maturation and like uh coming of age ceremonies or like at least for boys, they're often given like a symbolic or some kind of real wound. It's
Mm.
this idea that they're not innocent and protected anymore. They're going out into the world where they need to have some ability to cope with the violence of the world. But in this story, she stays in the castle the whole time, in the palace the whole time. But, you know, death and everything comes to her. The woes of the world come to her. You can't protect your child. You completely, this idea.